Hi, this is Tess with ROE Dental Lab. We're a full-service national dental lab, and we're digital so you don't have to be. And today I'm going to be talking about our Ivotion milled digital denture offering. Ivotion is an Ivoclar product for doctors who are fans of Ivocap. It is an Ivocap based in PMMA teeth. As you can see, this prosthetic is one milled solution, almost like a crown, that we mill out after a digital design is completed. Now, how do you fabricate these kind of cases? We can work with either analog records or digital records if you'd like to submit edentulous scans, or if you plan to do it for an immediate case, dentate scans. We ask that you capture the scans and get a full face, full smile photo, an exaggerated photo, and go ahead and submit those to ROE with your case. Ivotion is a fantastic solution because it can be lab or chairside relined, converted to implant-supported, and in fact, we don't even recommend bar reinforcement because it's such a great, strong prosthetic. With Ivotion, unlike our other digital denture offerings, Ivotion does include a monolithic printed try-in. We do this because since it is our most premium offering, we want to make sure everything is on par before we mill your final solution. As you can kind of see in the sample I have here, 8 and 9 are tapered mesially to show the customization we can offer with Ivotion. Being one of our most aesthetic denture solutions, we can offer a variety of different molds, shapes, and shades. If you'd like to get a case started with us, please call into our laboratory. Our techs would be happy to answer your questions and help you get your case rolling. Or if you want to learn more about the digital denture design process, workflows, and options for cases, feel free to download our digital denture ebook that's available on our website now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to follow us on our social media websites for the latest and greatest in workflows and technology. And thank you again for tuning in. We look forward to our first case with you.